Over 60? Top 6 fruits to prevent leg cramps. Have your legs been cramping or feeling weaker lately, like they can't hold you the way they used to? Those aren't random pains. They're warning signs that your muscles are starving for the right foods. In this video, you'll discover 6 everyday fruits that can stop leg cramps, boost blood flow, and rebuild your strength after 60. But stay with me till the end, because if you skip it, you might keep losing power every week without realizing it. And the most powerful fruit is revealed last. 1. Jackfruit, the hidden muscle protector. Have you ever been jolted awake by a painful leg cramp that made you jump out of bed? That sudden, twisting pain isn't just bad luck. It's your muscles crying out for help. Many seniors believe it's a natural part of aging, but research from the Mayo Clinic and the National Institute on Aging suggests that most nighttime leg cramps are linked to low potassium levels, poor hydration, and impaired nerve communication rather than simply aging. That's why one little-known tropical fruit could make a quiet difference: jackfruit. Though rare in most American kitchens, jackfruit is one of nature's richest sources of potassium and vitamin B6, two nutrients that keep your muscles calm, your nerves steady, and your energy stable. According to Harvard Health Publishing, potassium helps prevent muscles from contracting too tightly, while B6 improves nerve signals, making every step feel stronger and more controlled. Take Eleanor, a 72-year-old retired teacher from Arizona. For years, she suffered nightly cramps so sharp she described them as fire in my calves. She tried stretching, magnesium, and even massages, but nothing helped for long. One day, her neighbor told her about jackfruit. Skeptical but desperate, she blended a cup of frozen jackfruit with Greek yogurt 3 times a week. Within 2 weeks, the cramps faded. A month later, she said she could finally sleep through the night without waking up in pain. Her doctor was amazed to see her potassium levels rise naturally without supplements. Jackfruit's benefits go beyond potassium. Its fiber improves circulation while its natural sugars release slow, steady energy that kind seniors need to stay active without fatigue. Studies from the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health suggest that eating potassium-rich foods like jackfruit can reduce the risk of leg cramps by up to 40% in older adults. So, even though it's not a typical supermarket fruit, you can find it frozen or canned in water at many grocery stores. Try adding it once or twice a week in smoothies, fruit bowls, or after a short walk to help muscles recover and nerves reconnect. If you've been feeling your legs grow weaker or more unreliable lately, don't ignore it. Your body isn't giving up, it's asking for balance. Give jackfruit a try and notice how your legs start to respond. If you found this tip helpful, leave a comment or tap like to let me know you're still watching. And don't go anywhere, because the next fruit on our list, small and purple, might be even more powerful for your blood flow and bone strength. 2. Plums, the circulation booster. Most people think of plums or prunes as a simple remedy for digestion, but few know they can also protect their legs. These small purple fruits are packed with nutrients that quietly support circulation and muscle recovery. Plums are rich in potassium, which helps blood vessels relax and carry oxygen smoothly, and polyphenols, plant compounds that strengthen and protect those vessels as we age. According to the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, potassium-rich fruits can reduce the risk of leg cramps by improving blood flow and nerve function in older adults. When circulation improves, oxygen reaches your muscles faster, meaning less stiffness and fewer painful cramps. Meet George, a 68-year-old veteran from Ohio. He loved gardening but had to stop every 20 minutes because of painful leg tightness. His doctor noticed a mild potassium deficiency and advised eating 2 plums a day instead of cookies. Skeptical but willing, George tried it. After 3 weeks, the heaviness in his legs faded. He could walk longer, bend, and even mow his lawn again. His blood pressure improved, and his doctor confirmed his circulation was stronger. "It's like my legs finally woke up," George said. Science supports his story. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that adults who regularly ate polyphenol-rich fruits like plums had better vascular elasticity, stronger bones, and improved muscle endurance. The antioxidants in plums reduce inflammation inside blood vessels and support heart health, the pump that powers every step. Pairing plums with a glass of water enhances absorption and prevents dehydration, a hidden cause of slow circulation. If your legs often feel heavy, cold, or restless, don't ignore them. That tightness might not be weakness, it could be your blood struggling to move. Replace processed snacks with 2 fresh plums daily to restore balance and energy. Try it for a week and see how your steps change. And if you're still watching, comment the number 2 below so I know you're here, because the next fruit isn't just sweet, it's a secret weapon against dehydration, the real reason so many leg cramps start. 3. Cantaloupe, the hydration hero. Have you ever noticed your legs feeling heavier and tighter during warm afternoons or after light activity? For many seniors, that's not just fatigue, it's mild dehydration quietly draining your muscles of strength. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, notes that adults over 60 often have a weaker thirst response, meaning by the time you feel thirsty, your body is already short on fluids. That's where cantaloupe becomes a true hero for tired legs. This sweet orange melon is nearly 90% water, packed with potassium, vitamin A, and beta-carotene, which work together to restore hydration, repair muscle cells, and fight oxidative stress. Dehydration thickens the blood, slows circulation, and makes cramps more likely, but eating cantaloupe helps reverse all that naturally. Take Evelyn, a 67-year-old from Arizona who loved her daily walks. Every summer, she'd start feeling dizzy, her legs stiff and cramping before she even finished half a mile. Her doctor told her dehydration was the real culprit and suggested hydrating foods instead of sugary sports drinks. Evelyn began eating a bowl of chilled cantaloupe every afternoon, sometimes blending it with yogurt for a light smoothie. Within 2 weeks, her cramps nearly disappeared, and her energy returned. "It's the only thing that makes the desert heat bearable," she laughed. Her story mirrors what experts at the Mayo Clinic explain, that proper hydration not only prevents cramps, but also improves sleep, blood pressure, and energy stability in older adults. Cantaloupe also delivers natural electrolytes like potassium and magnesium that help muscles contract smoothly. Vitamin A supports cell regeneration, keeping tissues strong and flexible. A 2022 review in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that carotenoid-rich fruits, such as cantaloupe, reduce muscle weakness and inflammation caused by aging. When you eat it regularly, you're not just quenching thirst, you're replenishing the water, minerals, and antioxidants your body quietly loses each day. Try eating it fresh after light exercise, or pair it with a handful of nuts for a steady energy boost. Keep a few slices in the fridge so you can reach for something hydrating instead of processed snacks. If your legs have felt achy, tense, or heavy, there's a good chance they're asking for water, not medicine. Cantaloupe is your body's way of saying, "Refresh me." It's cooling, nourishing, and easy to digest, a small daily habit that keeps muscles relaxed and circulation steady. And while this fruit hydrates your body beautifully, the next one takes hydration to a whole new level. You don't even have to chew it. Up next, we'll talk about a natural drink that restores your electrolytes faster than sports beverages and helps your legs recover in record time. 4. Coconut water, nature's electrolyte drink. If you've ever felt your legs grow heavy after a short walk or cramp up while gardening, your body might not be asking for medicine, it might be asking for minerals. That's where coconut water comes in. It's often called nature's sports drink because it naturally contains potassium, magnesium, and sodium, the same electrolytes found in commercial recovery beverages, but without the added sugar or chemicals. These minerals work together to keep your muscles contracting smoothly, prevent spasms, and replace what's lost through sweat. According to the Mayo Clinic, electrolyte imbalance is one of the leading causes of muscle cramps in older adults, especially those who stay active or live in warm climates. Coconut water helps restore that balance in the gentlest way possible. Meet Robert, a 70-year-old from Florida who loved tending his backyard tomatoes. Every afternoon, the heat left his legs weak and his calves trembling. He used to reach for bottled sports drinks, but they only spiked his blood sugar. After reading about coconut water in Harvard Health Publishing, he swapped his daily soda for a cup of it after working outside. Within a few weeks, he noticed something amazing. No more late-day cramps, less fatigue, and steadier energy. "It's like my body finally learned how to breathe again," he said. His doctor later confirmed his hydration levels and blood pressure had improved. Naturally, Coconut water's secret lies in its perfect ratio of electrolytes and hydrating compounds. The National Institutes of Health notes that potassium helps your heart and muscles coordinate contractions, while magnesium calms overactive nerves that cause cramping. Even a single cup can make a difference. It's quickly absorbed by the body, rehydrating faster than plain water, especially for seniors whose natural thirst response may have weakened with age. Many studies, including one published in the Journal of Physiological Anthropology, found coconut water to be as effective as sports drinks for recovery and even better tolerated by older adults with sensitive digestion. You don't need much. Just 1 cup after walking, exercising, or light yard work is enough to help your body recover. Mix it with a splash of fruit juice or freeze it into ice cubes to use in smoothies. It's also perfect for sipping in the evening when your legs feel tight or swollen. Think of it as giving your muscles the conversation they've been waiting for. Steady, balanced, and natural. So the next time your legs feel drained or heavy, skip the sugary drinks and try coconut water instead. You might be surprised how something so simple can make you feel light and strong again. And if you're still watching, comment the number 4 below so I know you're following along, because the next fruit on our list isn't just creamy and delicious, it actually helps rebuild your muscles and nerves from the inside out. Don't miss it. The next tip might be the key your body's been waiting for. 5. Avocado, the nerve and muscle rebuilder. Have you ever felt that dull, heavy ache in your legs after walking or standing too long? That feeling where your muscles just don't respond like they used to? For many people over 60, that weakness isn't simply aging. According to the National Institutes of Health, low levels of magnesium and potassium are among the top causes of chronic muscle cramps, poor coordination, and nerve fatigue. That's where avocados shine. This creamy green fruit is one of the richest natural sources of magnesium, potassium, and healthy monounsaturated fats, a trio your body desperately needs to keep nerves firing and muscles strong. These nutrients work together to restore balance, calm inflammation, and improve blood flow to the legs. Harvard health experts have noted that magnesium acts as the body's muscle relaxer, preventing spasms, while potassium supports fluid balance inside the cells, protecting muscles from tightening. Take Carol, a 69-year-old from California, who used to enjoy line dancing at her local senior center. She loved the rhythm, but lately her calves cramped halfway through every class. Her doctor suggested adding half an avocado to her breakfast 3 times a week. Carol started mashing it on whole grain toast with a sprinkle of salt. Within a month, she was dancing through the entire session without having to stop. Her legs felt lighter, her balance steadier, and her energy lasted all day. It's crazy how one small change made me feel 10 years younger, she laughed, and science supports her experience. A Cleveland Clinic review found that diets rich in magnesium and healthy fats not only improved muscle strength, but also protected nerve function and joint mobility in older adults. Avocados also deliver vitamin E and antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, a major reason our muscles and nerves lose efficiency with age. The American Heart Association even calls avocado a heart-smart food because its healthy fats enhance circulation and reduce stiffness in blood vessels. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery to your muscles, helping them recover faster after activity. Try eating avocado with eggs in the morning or sliced over a salad at lunch. The fats help your body absorb other key nutrients like vitamin D and calcium, which are essential for bone strength and muscle control. You're not just eating for flavor, you're literally rebuilding your body's support system from the inside out. So if your legs often feel tired or unsteady, your body may be asking for magnesium, not medicine. Avocado offers a natural way to feed your muscles, soothe your nerves, and stay strong enough to live life on your own terms. Add it a few times a week and pay attention to how your body responds. The results can be surprisingly fast. The final fruit on our list might just be the easiest and most powerful way to stop cramps before they start, and you probably already have it sitting on your kitchen counter. 6. Banana, the ultimate anti-cramp classic. Sometimes the simplest foods are the most powerful. The humble banana, often sitting quietly on your kitchen counter, is one of nature's most effective muscle protectors. It's loaded with potassium, vitamin B6, and quick natural carbohydrates, the exact trio your body needs to stop cramps before they even begin. According to Harvard Health Publishing, potassium helps muscles contract and relax properly, while vitamin B6 supports the communication between nerves and muscles, preventing the misfires that lead to painful spasms. Bananas also replace glycogen, the energy stored in your muscles, helping you stay active and steady throughout the day. Let me tell you about Frank, a 72-year-old retired firefighter from Michigan. He loved fishing by the lake, but often had to stop early because his calves cramped so badly he could barely stand. His doctor suggested eating a banana 30 minutes before heading out. Skeptical but hopeful, Frank started bringing one every morning. Within 2 weeks, the difference was remarkable. Or more sudden cramps, no more cutting trips short. I used to pack pain cream, he said. Now I just pack a banana. His story isn't unique. Research from the Mayo Clinic confirms that seniors who eat potassium-rich fruits daily experience fewer muscle cramps and more consistent energy, especially when paired with proper hydration. Bananas also contain magnesium and natural electrolytes that balance fluids in your body, which is crucial for preventing nighttime cramps. And unlike supplements or pills, bananas deliver these nutrients in a form your body absorbs easily. They're also gentle on the stomach and help regulate digestion, a bonus for many older adults managing multiple medications. Try eating one before a walk, after light gardening, or even as an evening snack to stop those leg spasms that strike at night. Pair it with peanut butter or Greek yogurt for a little protein boost that keeps your energy steady longer. The National Institute on Aging recommends whole foods like bananas as part of a muscle-supported diet because they work synergistically with hydration, rest, and gentle movement. So, while expensive supplements and fancy powders may promise fast results, sometimes all you need is what's already sitting on your kitchen table. It's affordable, easy, and effective, the kind of habit you can build right now without effort. If your legs have been cramping or feeling weaker lately, don't wait for them to get worse. Grab a banana tomorrow morning and notice how your legs respond. It's a small habit that can help you walk, climb, and move with more freedom. Have you tried using bananas to stop cramps before? Tell me your experience in the comments below. And if this tip helped you, don't forget to like and share it with a friend who might need it too. They'll truly thank you for it. 6 fruits, 6 simple habits, 1 stronger and more independent you. Every step you take and every bite you choose can rebuild the strength that age tried to steal. You don't need expensive supplements, just the right foods and consistency. Start with 1 small change today and feel the difference in your legs tomorrow. Which of these fruits will you try first? If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it, because if you share this valuable tip with your friends, they'll truly thank you for it.